What is the meaning of Chongai? Some of you will say, I am here again. We're still struggling with our indigenous names. And then I see a lot of people puts in their bios and in their statuses, I am Chongai, Chongai weddings. And I ask, what is the meaning of Chongai? The response is usually, it is a name they call the Southern Kaduna people. Is that the meaning of Chongai? No. Is the word Chongai an ethnic group? Is it a vibe or is it a slang? If you know the meaning of Chongai, kindly put it in the comments section. I just want to know the meaning. That's it. I am someone who doesn't go by a name that I do not know the meaning. Especially now that we are struggling with our identity. I am not Jabba, I am Ham. I am not Kaje, I am Baju. I am not Ketev, I am Atia. Help me. I just want to know the meaning of Chongai. Tag other people. Let's unravel or let's discover the meaning of Chongai. My name is Thedman Mikori. I am Ham and we speak Ham language. I am rocking the attire of the Atia people and I love the attire. It's so
Daddy, Nata, Master, Allah, the Master, Higher, God, Kaduru, Ina, Kataf, Kaduru, Ina, Katafa, Dena, Kaduna, Stata, Chitata, Shitata, Chiga, CHIKA, Na, Chongai, Chong, Chang, Zi, Chong, Kaduru, Ina, Kataf. In the region of Shiokoto, Chimole, na Sokoto. Tádì, Papa, àti Umerema, Afa, Umuchina, China, na Shanghai, Shang, wa Chiga, in Uwari, na Chongai, Kaduru, Arigina, Papa, Nemi, na Ata, Kaduru, Adam, Ada, Kato, Sam, in Unka, Nemi, Imbra, Unu, na Bonu, Igbo, the Sonu, Afa, Chineke, Igbo, bi China, Kaduru, Ina, Kataf, Umu, Inwekpe, Shiokoto.